So Britt, this is the outdated laundry.
Yeah, I'm getting a real 60s vibe in here actually.
Yeah, it's definitely, look, it's from the 60s, probably early 70s. Everything appears to be in good nick, but it's like a lot of laundries around the country. People just don't ever think to update the laundry.
So what are you going to do here?
The homeowners here have only got a budget of $1,000. So in an ideal world, it'd be lovely to rip all of this out, but on a $1,000 budget, we're not able to do that. We'll get rid of the green bench top. I think that's served its purpose. And it's really weird having two sinks as well, like what was going on here. So they did wild and wacky stuff back in the 60s. This is a classic example. So we'll take one sink out, we'll keep the big one, and we'll install a new bench top.
Well, it sounds great. Shall we get started?
Absolutely, we've got a lot of work to do, so let's strip everything out first.
First things first, Cherie is removing the old wooden handles and sanding down the cupboards before giving them a fresh coat of paint. Then it's out with the old 60s bench top.
Cherie, I'm quite glad to see the green bench tops have gone.
Me too, it was ghastly.
So what have you got here?
So I've just got this sort of marble look-alike, just to add a little bit of luxury to the laundry. So if you buy your bench tops from a bench top factory, it's so much cheaper than the hardware store.
So how much are we looking at?
Well, this was $265 for a 3.6 metre slab, so really cost effective. You don't need a stonemason, so for renovators on a budget, this sort of stuff is perfect.
To save on cost, Cherie has decided to repurpose the existing tiles.
How much would it actually cost to replace these tiles?
At least $2,000. Waterproofing, tiles, tiling labour. Why rip out something that's perfectly good? So we're going to tile paint these. We'll do this for under $100.
Cherie's top tip, use a paintbrush first, followed by a roller. Next, Cherie is spraying the old fridge to bring it back to life.
A lot of people would look at this old fridge and think throw it in the skip bin, and I say don't, because it would just end up in landfill, and you know that's not great for the planet. So there's a lot of good specialty paints around. This is just like the White Knight fridge and appliance paint, and I'm just painting it in a stainless steel finish. It'll look like a new fridge, but it's just the old one. One of the finishing touches is all your cabinetry handles. If you want to save money, buy your handles in a bulk pack, don't buy them individually.
And these look really nice and modern.
Yeah, they just finish it off, and like there's such a wide range of handles, so you can go crazy if you want.
Finally, it's time to complete the look with a few accessories.
Cherie, that's an amazing transformation and on such a small budget.
Yeah, look, if we're being honest with ourselves, it's not going to win any design awards, but it doesn't need to. If we had gutted this laundry and started again, it would have cost $10,000. We spent just $1,000, so I think it's fair to say it looks better than before.
So for people renovating their laundry on a budget, what would be your top tip?
So if you've got old cabinetry, assess whether it's in good condition, and if so, cosmetically refresh it using the specialty paints that we have today. Work with your current flooring. Often that can dictate the colour scheme in your laundry. Don't forget to update all your little accessories like your knobs and your handles. I think if you've got old wacky tiles, don't rip them out, tile paint. The last one, style like crazy. Just bringing in the most basic accessories, and you don't need to buy expensive items, can bring your laundry to life.